So in this video, I'm going to show you what I do when the floor is rotten at the wall joint, which is it's a pain in the butt. It happens a lot. So in this case, what we've got here is this kind of not very great floorboard, and it's rotted at the wall. Then we've replaced below it and above it. Actually, we didn't replace above it. And now what are we going to do? So in order to replace this whole part, I'd have to jack up the house, remove the whole base of the house, and then put in a new floorboard, cut out a section of the board, and I'm just not going to do that. And this is going to be okay for the long run. And so instead what I'm going to do, I've already brushed this out with a wire brush, and we've already put copper green treatment on here. And now I'm just going to take, just to seal it up so that it has something so that there's not an entry point for bugs. And even for some water, I'm just going to add some of the foam sealer. And by adding the foam sealer, that's just going to seal. We'll come back in 20 minutes or so, and that'll seal. And then if you just come on over here, you can see where we've already done it. And then here we sealed this a while ago, and we just shaved it down. And then now that's totally sufficient. So if you've got rot at the side of your house, now I know some people are not going to like the idea that I didn't replace all that, but with the copper green and with the foam, and then once I properly put a tar paper is what I'm going to use, or any type of house wrap that is really effective, now it's going to be protected from water. In this particular case, there was a junction here in which it wasn't properly protected from the water going down, and now that's not going to happen anymore. It's not going to go back in there. So with the sealing of the foam right there, you should be good for the long run for another 30-40 years. If you got to come back in 30-40 years and fix it, well, sometimes the house won't even be there by then. But I hope that's helpful. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments below and let us know, what would you do? What would you do differently? I'd love to start a dialogue and try to have us all learn from one another, because I don't have all the answers. I'm just doing the best I can, and hopefully we're helping each other. Have a great day.